The Arab-Israeli conflict was not born yesterday. This is a conflict that has resisted actually resolution for 70 years. And for a president to come in without knowledge, personal knowledge, without personal involvement, without adequate advisors to guide him in that, we feel it's very important to have these types of discussions to kind of inject some element of sanity into the process.
I think the United States is not going to get much adherence from other countries. That is, it's the idea of moving an embassy to Jerusalem. Apart from a few outlier countries, the countries of the world are rather firm in their view that the Jerusalem situation needs to be settled by negotiation, and that an Israeli claim or Israeli sovereignty is quite detrimental to any accommodation.
The United States has de facto treated Jerusalem as if it's Israel's capital, but legally we've kept a position that this is an issue for the parties to resolve in a peaceful way through negotiations. And every administration up until now has been comfortable with that, even though they visit the prime minister in Jerusalem and it's not a big deal. So why make this kind of gratuitous, symbolic change unless you're getting something in return for it? And I think what puzzles people is, did he get anything in return for it? And I think the answer is, to date, no. Now, Trump hints that we gave Netanyahu this big prize, therefore he's going to have to say yes when we ask him for something later on. But that later on is not anywhere on the horizon.
In previous years, there was greater opportunity to work with the international community, but unfortunately the international community takes a lot of its lead from Washington. And right now everybody is in a wait-and-see mode, and the White House is very anti-Palestinian. So even trying to work those international diplomatic channels may be very difficult. That doesn't mean, though, that Palestinians cannot do work with international civil society.